And I want to take these off. These are a 1/2 inch. Okay, we're going to push this cylinder back. Make sure you check your reservoir up there. You don't want to overflood that. This is an old steering wheel puller, and it works pretty good to do this. There. Okay, 1/2 inch. Okay, now I was up checking my reservoir and it's right up to the cap. So what I have to do, I'm going to loosen up my bleed screw and put this hose on there and drop it into that basin. So let's see. I put some WD-40 on here to loosen this up because sometimes these can be pretty tight. Okay, not too bad actually. My hose on. And we'll turn this back. There, good. Take that off, tighten the nut. Okay, now I want to take this here off. This is a 13/16 socket, and I got my breaker bar on here. These are usually hard coming. Oh, not too bad actually. 13/16 socket. Okay, now I've got these in here, and first thing I want to do, I want to check these slides, make sure they're moving freely, because if they're seizing at all, it means your brakes will seize, and these are working really good. Okay, now I want to take my slides off, and they just pull out. Okay, make sure those are clean, and what I like to do, I just take my grinder, and I got a wire brush on there, and I just nice and clean. New clips on there. That little tab right there, that always goes on the outside. Hook that in there and push, and she locks it. Tab on the outside. When I mean facing out, I mean facing out towards the summit of the tire. Hook that in there. Push in. They give you 4 that goes in one direction and 4 for the other. Here, this is the one for here. There. Now before I put this on the car, I just want to check to make sure the shoes fit in here good. That side. There. Oh yeah. Fit in there nice. Try the other side. There. Yep, and they slide back and forth good. There, that one's ready to go on the car. Now the other one, pull them out. It's like pulling teeth. I like cleaning them. Sometimes you get rust scales in there and it'll make your shoe fit too tight. There. Yep. Slide nice. There. There, they work good. Okay, now you may want to put some Loctite on these nuts. Shoe on. Now I like having a little squeaker on the inside. You like it differently. Bring the caliper up. It slides in there. And again, you may want to put some Loctite on these nuts. Nice and tight. Let's pump it up. Oh, look at that, lots of brake. Oh yeah, good hard brake. Let's make sure the brakes are loose. Yep. Yep. Lots of fluid. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.